Hit subscribe to join our 1 year of Ayurveda hair care challenge. See the description box below for more details. Hi, I'm Ify of Ify360 TV, and today I'm going to do a review of that Ayurvedic hair treatment that I did for you all, and I'm excited to share a review because I used it and then I sort of observed all that any results that I saw with the Ayurvedic hair treatment for dandruff specifically, and I can't wait to tell you all that I experienced and all that I saw. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna play a little clip of the video while I'm talking about it. This treatment has shikakai, neem, fenugreek, amla, and that's it. Alright, so those four things, and it was really easy to make. And one thing I want to say off the bat is that I boiled these herbs because I wanted to see what the difference would be like when I boil them compared to when I just use them straight out of the pack and I just leave it, I just add water or aloe vera juice. And these ingredients are fairly easy to get. These are pretty simple ingredients. Oh, the other thing that I did, I soaked the fenugreek seeds overnight. I was actually going to use it for a hair spritz, and I decided to do this treatment instead because I wanted to do something different, but also something that would be nourishing for my hair. Those seeds are soaked prior to actually boiling everything, and you can use the seeds straight. If there's a difference, it's a good question. All right, after I boiled everything, I strained it in a cheesecloth because one of the complaints that a lot of people get with using a lot of these powders is that you can get a lot of the powder stuck in your hair. That's something I also deal with as well with regard to the powders getting stuck in my hair. Even if I pre-oil my hair or do a pre-poo with hot oil treatment, the powder still gets stuck in my hair, and I really don't like that. So straining it with a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth, that takes a huge headache away with regard to doing these Ayurvedic treatments. So once I boiled the herbs, I strained it, then I put it into a applicator bottle with the comb attachment. That made it really easy for the comb to get into the roots of my hair and allow the treatment to go straight to my scalp. One thing I also want to remind you, some of these herbs like shikakai can be a little bit drying. So what I do, I usually do a hot oil treatment the night before, or pre-oil my hair the night before, so that when I do these treatments the next day, I won't feel as though that I won't feel like my hair would go through any sort of drying. All right, so after I did that, I covered my hair with a shower cap and I left it on for an hour, then I rinsed it out. Usually I don't put any conditioner after. However, I'm gonna try using with conditioner and see how my hair responds. But y'all, after I use this treatment, I don't know why I feel as though these herbs are working so quickly. The level of moisture I was on level 10, okay? Maybe level 12. Out of 10, the level of moisture that I got was ridiculous because after about a week, I didn't even moisturize my hair again, and usually I have to moisturize my hair within a 2 or 3 day period. I just moisturized because I know hey, it's time to moisturize my hair again, But y'all, these herbs are working so quickly. I am beyond impressed with the level of moisture that I'm getting. So let me tell you some more of the observations that I have seen throughout using this treatment. So it was easy to apply, okay? Very easy to apply. It was very easy to wash as well and rinse. There was no residue of powders left in my hair, which was really good. It melted away my tangles like that. It was like a no-brainer. I was able to apply it to my roots and for dandruff treatment. Now, with regard to the dandruff, you have to do it consistently. Now, I wash my hair every 2 weeks for winter, so it's not ideal if you want to do dandruff treatment. I would say do it weekly to get rid of any dandruff. My strands were really, really smooth. I can actually feel the smoothness of my strands after I used the treatment as well. And there was very little shedding while I was washing my hair. There's very little shedding while I was styling my hair as well. About 2 days later, I also made a specific observation, and my hair is usually dry when I go to re-moisturize, and I didn't even have to. It was still very juicy and I did not have to moisturize again. I lost, and as I said again, when I checked my hair about 2 days after using the treatment, I lost probably 2 or 3 strands of hair when I ran my fingers through my hair. Very little strand loss, very little hair loss, very little shedding. Finally, I want to say the shine of my hair was insane. Insane shine. The only thing I've had to do throughout the week when I did this treatment, I just put some oil in my scalp because I'm just so used to doing it now. My scalp massages. That's the only thing I did. Y'all, if you try this treatment, let me know, please, because I have never experienced this kind of moisture ever in any sort of treatment that I've ever done. Thank you so much for watching. If you experience any of this, please leave your comments below. If you try this treatment, let me know what your results were. If you have not done this already, please hit the subscribe button and smash that like button because it lets me know if you enjoyed this video and if I should continue making more for you. See you in the next one. Ciao.